So hi guys, in today's video, I will be talking about how to add our Minecraft to our Steam account. So let's get started. In here, first we need to log into our Steam account. Now below, we have add a game here. So let's just click on that one. Now we have three options. All we need to click is to have a add a non-Steam game. Now, in here, we will show a series of programs that we can add. All we need to do is to click on T Launcher. Now, add selected. Let's go to our library this time. Okay. Now, in the library, it will show us that our T Launcher has been saved. Still loading, basically. Okay, so here it's still launching. All we need to do is to wait for our T launcher. Now we have our T launcher ready. All we need to do is to click on install. That's about it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.